see how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. Here in this pattern, along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. The number of alphabets are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see code to print this pattern. We have already seen how to print number triangle pattern. Run this file in the terminal pytriangle.py. Now in this code, modify this print statement 64 plus 5 plus I minus j. Here, run this file in the terminal pytriangle.py. This is our expected triangle pattern.